Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So I've been living in this house since August of 2021 and it is now April of 2022. And I have been delaying on really getting some spaces organized, and that includes the bathroom medicine cabinet. So we're gonna organize that today. Oh my gosh, do you need to be watered? Are you sad? Maybe it's just sunny. I think you're just basking in the sun. Clover Dog is here to help too. So he's gonna help us organize our medicine cabinet, aren't you, bud? Yeah. You look really tired though. So here is my medicine cabinet. It has this nice part on the bottom, which is fine. I'm not gonna touch that, but the inside could definitely use a little bit of order. It's a little bit chaotic, so I'm just gonna straighten it up today, and I might actually play with some space under the cabinet, which is a little messy as well. And I mean, it's not too bad. It's got some stuff there. And then the drawers are where it's really a problem though. Look at that. So we're gonna declutter some of that stuff today and organize this so that it's not so ugly and terrible. I think this will only take me an hour or so. So let's get started. I honestly think this took me more than an hour anyway. I wanted to put the reusable cotton rounds in a container so that they looked pretty when I went to go take off my face every night. And I got that container from the Container Store, and I actually washed them beforehand. They never get as white as they were when I purchased them, but they still do the job. So again, before I do any organizing job, I take everything out. So here I am taking everything out of the cabinet. Let me tell you, I had a lot of lotions and potions, but I was going to put an extra shelf in there. So I only had 3 shelves, and I was going to add another one to make it 4 total, and including the bottom shelf. So I had 3 glass shelves and 1 wooden shelf at the bottom. And it was really hard for me to take off of those brackets. So I grabbed another, I guess, pliers to take them out. And I actually grabbed a little hammer tool to put them back in. So I moved everything down and up respectively, depending on what I wanted to do. And this took me a good amount of time. Look at me, I'm getting so impatient doing this. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so much work. I didn't want to, what did I do to myself? So, after you start some projects and you get into the thick of it and you're like, why did I do this? And that's what I was thinking then. But you know what? I persevered. I kept on going. So I decided to clean the glass shelves after that. Am I coming back with my cleaner? Where am I? I'm gone. Oh, no. I'm moving more shelves or moving more brackets. What the heck was I doing here? Okay, anyway, that day I was watching my friend live stream Animal Crossing, and there's the cleaner. There's the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. By the way, that's the Daisy cleaner for spring. I love that. I love all the Mrs. Meyer's seasonal cleaners. I think they are so good. If you have not gotten your hands on the spring cleaners, go right now to Target. Stop watching this video. Go to Target. Get yourself some cleaners. They're so good. Or CVS or wherever they sell those. They're so... the rose, the mint, the daisy. They're so good. So I decided I was going to put that some face stuff and tooth stuff. And it was going to... look, I made a mess. Huge mess. Huge mess. Massive mess. This voiceover is a mess. Definitely watching some Animal Crossing stream there. Good times. And here is my new medicine cabinet with nothing in it. Clean shelves. I was so excited. Oh, I reused a 3-wick candle from Bath & Body Works as a hamper for my cotton rounds. And that's a little bag that the cotton rounds came in. You're supposed to wash them inside that mesh bag. So I figured I had the little hamper there for the cotton rounds, so I would have that ready to go, and I thought that was kind of cute. So I always reuse those 3-wick candle jars from Bath and Body Works. I think they're such a good size, and they come with a lid. So I think they're a really good use of, of old packaging. You can put them in the freezer once you're done burning the candle, and the wax will contract in the freezer like overnight, and hopefully you should be able to lift it out. And after it's come to room temperature, you can actually put some hot water in there and get the rest of the wax out if you're having trouble. But usually it's not that hard to clean. The candles from Anthropologie, actually, those volcano candles, those are really easy. The wax comes out so easily. So I reused one of those containers for my car, for my DIY car freshener. I was so excited to do that. At some point during the process, I decided that my skincare drawer was nonsense. I had so much stuff that was on deck, on the docket, on just to be used, that I was never going to get around to it. And I made an executive decision to just let it all go. I have lots of friends that would love some of that skincare stuff. So I chose a few things that I really, really wanted to try, that I had been, the gifts I got from Sephora, all that stuff, the birthday gifts that you get from Sephora. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep this stuff, and the rest of the stuff can go bye. And that's where I sort of got this mentality that I had way too many lotions and potions, and I was never going to use them. The hair stuff, I had just the right amount of items. I have curly hair, and I have a sundry, a variety of things that I like to use to moisturize, style, whatever, just depending on how I'm feeling. That was fine. But the skincare and the makeup was out of control. And I really feel like that whole 2016 period where we were watching a lot of beauty videos, we're watching a lot of skincare videos, we were buying. At one point, and this is the total truth, I'm going to tell you right now, at one point I was going to Sephora once a week, or at least once every 2 weeks, and just going bananas in the store. I spent so much money. I was VIB Rouge for a while. I had stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff. So I had all this skincare, I had all this makeup, and that was a really hard habit to break. And over the last couple of years, I've been downsizing some of that collection, just downsizing. And now I have a group of products that I really like to use on my face. A few masks, every now and again I like to do a sheet mask. I have a whole nighttime skincare routine, and that shit, y'all, that shit. I cannot be having the whole skincare I can't look like, I'm not a beauty influencer, okay? I don't want my cabinet to look like a beauty influencer. I just want to wash my face. So this is confessions of a former beauty addict, okay? Okay, I'm done. Okay, so I'm done. Let's start with the ugly. This has been a massive declutter. This is all the stuff I'm going to be giving to friends. It's either stuff I don't use anymore, stuff I got from beauty boxes, and I found that having just too many backup samples of skincare is just so intimidating. So you know what? I'm going to let someone else have a crack at it. And I'm only going to keep the stuff that I'm definitely going to use. So here is my new medicine cabinet. It's still a little bit of stuff for me, but just the stuff at the top is backup stuff that I want to use and stuff that's extra. Like I have a extra hair conditioner and hair products there. And then it's basically the stuff that I use all the time. We've got my lotion, mouthwash, toners, the Bioderma, I love that stuff. A brush for masks, and we got medication and vitamins there. Also medication and vitamins there. Something to clean my ring with. A couple of masks and skincare items, stuff I use every day. These are reusable cotton rounds, and when I'm done with them, they basically go in this. This is basically their laundry hamper for these. And then when I'm done going through all these, I just put them in the wash and they come out mostly clean, not as white as they were when I got them, but clean enough to do a good job. And that is the new medicine cabinet. I completely changed this drawer to be hair care. So I have all of my hair care and hair care products. Here we've got brushes, combs, a little spatula thing, and the rest of my hair care products for my wash day in there. And then in this drawer, I got rid of all of those extra skincare products and then put my hair, like I guess, accessories in here. So basically here I have bonnets and hair bands. These are the hair bands that you see me wear all the time. And then I've got scrunchies in here. And these Like It bricks are so cool. They're modular, so this little container I can put on top of this container and I can slide it back and forth if I want to. So modular for the win, and on the side I just have some hair bands and a couple of other hair accessories and things like that. So no big deal. And oh, I have some wig caps because I recently started getting into wigs because they're fun, and that's where that lives now. Woo! That's my husband, so we won't look in there. And under here we neatened up a little bit too. We've got some more hair care products. Hey, don't judge. I've got curly hair. It's high maintenance. Got my hair dryer. Got these clips. Got some backup Comet Biologics. I got a bunch of these when they were on sale at Sephora, so they're kind of expensive, so I stocked up and I'm ready for when I need to use more of that. But we've got Clover's little bath bucket there. He uses a lot of towels when I dry him because he doesn't like to be blow dried, so I just use a bunch of towels and that usually does the job. Here is my spray bottle for my hair. By the way, I got this spray bottle on Amazon. It's one of those like constant spray things. It's amazing. So if you're a curly hair girl and you're looking for one of these awesome spray bottles, I will link this one down below for you. And on the right, I still have my Alpha drawer unit. It's still the same, just dental stuff. This just really isn't anything. It's just like the hair stopper for the sink and a toothbrush, and then period stuff. Oh, that's a hair dryer, a bonnet hair dryer. So this is like a heck of a lot less messy and better and less intimidating. Yay, we love it. Love to see it. I'm all done with my organizing project for that weekend. I feel good. That's at least a phase one. I will probably go back and reorganize it and do it again to make it look even better. But that first phase gets me over the hump, makes me feel really good. So don't feel bad about doing your organization in phases if you're like by yourself at home and you just want to take it slow. That's usually the way I work with me when I'm with clients. I go full all the way, whatever they're comfortable with. I'm like, let's do it up fancy. Because in some medicine cabinets, you like to do the back wallpaper, make it look really nice. But today, I'm not feeling like I have that much energy, so I just wanted to declutter, get rid of the stuff I wasn't gonna use, and free up some space, and it makes me feel so much better. So I hope you found this video inspirational and you're gonna organize your medicine cabinet and bathroom too. Let me know what the bath product that you have the most of is. Is it hair products? Is it skincare? Is it something else? Let me know. Sound off in the comments down below. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!